Hi there. Welcome to my summer makeup look collection video. As the weather gets warmer, it's time to switch up our makeup routine to something more fresh and glowing. In this video, I'll be showcasing some of my favorite summer makeup looks and products that are perfect for this season. First up, let's talk about skin. For a natural and radiant base, I love using a tinted moisturizer or a lightweight foundation with SPF. It's important to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays while looking flawless at the same time. Next, let's move on to the eyes. This summer, I'm all about bright and bold eyeshadow shades like oranges, pinks, and yellows. I also love adding a pop of color to my lower lash line for a fun and playful look. And last but not least, let's talk about lips. Nude and glossy lips are perfect for a natural and effortless summer look, but if you want to go bold, try a vibrant coral or pink shade to make a statement. Subscribe and share for more videos.